the beat. We bringing the heat, can't be beat.
Look at the stress points highlighted in red on the pressure map.
I see it. The current iteration isn't stable enough.
Mechanical compression tester pressing midsole repeatedly, foam bouncing back, resilience testing demonstration, tactile quality check.
How does this connect to the outer layers?
Rubber outsole with traction grooves being attached, molded pattern detail, grip and water channel design visible.
Automated bending machine flexing shoe midsole hundreds of times in rapid succession. Durability stress testing.
Outsole abrasion tester rubbing rubber sole against rough surface repeatedly. Wear resistance evaluation.
A perfect regulation soccer ball must meet strict FIFA standards. The official measurements require a circumference.
Heavy leather ball becoming waterlogged in rain. Weight comparison demonstration. Old versus new technology contrast.
flat pentagon and hexagon panels laid out. Question: how do these become a sphere strong enough for impact?
Assembly pattern showing 20 hexagons and 12 pentagons interlocking in perfect geometric pattern. Buckminster Fuller geodesic structure.
Thermobonding machine using heat and pressure instead of thread. Smooth, seamless joints for modern match balls.
Side-by-side comparison of hand-stitched seams versus thermobonded seams. Different manufacturing methods for different league requirements.
What gives the ball its bounce and perfect shape. Wrinkled bladder entering steam chamber, rubber softening and smoothing out, becoming perfect sphere shape.
Bladder being inserted through small opening in stitched shell. Careful placement through valve hole. Hidden inner component.
Machine adding burst of air to test bladder. Pressure gauge showing proper inflation. Leak detection process. Assembled ball being inflated to standard pressure, shape transforming from loose to taut sphere.
Multiple color layers being added sequentially, each drying before next application, complex graphic building up.
Digital scale showing ball weight at precisely 450 grams. Weight verification for regulation compliance. Pressure retention test showing defective ball losing air and being rejected. Quality control removing faulty units.
Final montage of ball manufacturing. Flat materials to finished sphere ready for stadium. Complete transformation journey.
7 thin maple wood layers stacked together. Hydraulic press descending with thousands of pounds of force.
How do flat wood sheets become a curved deck built for tricks and landings?
Check it out, doll. She's finished.
Wow, that looks, boss. Let's take it for a spin.
1990s popsicle-shaped deck becoming dominant design. Street skating tricks enabled by new shape. Skate culture boom.
Okay, I think I got it. Yeah, man, nice one.
Raw maple logs to finish deck question. Transformation challenge visualization.
Hard maple logs from cold northern forests. Tight grain wood selection. Raw material quality inspection.
Dried veneer sheets ready for assembly. Question: what happens when these are ready for shaping?
Glue spreading across each maple veneer in even coating. adhesive application precision, sticky layer preparation.
7 layers being stacked with cross-grain pattern visible, engineered strength structure, strategic layer orientation.
Warm pressure curing glue and forming natural concave shape, nose and tail curve creation, deck geometry forming.
Pressed deck block emerging from mold. Question: how does it get final popsicle outline?
Robotic drill creating 8 truck mounting holes in seconds. Millimeter accurate hole placement. Automated precision.
Batteries. How does rough deck become smooth enough for graphics?
Dual-sided sanding processing both top and bottom deck surfaces simultaneously. Fine mist collecting dust.
First color layer being pressed onto wood with slow, even pressure, ink transferring to grain.
Complex design requiring 10 color passes, building up detailed artwork layer by layer.
Printed decks entering heated curing chamber at 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Ink bonding permanently into wood grain.
Finished graphic locked into deck. Artwork that will survive repeated impacts. Proprietary ink formula.
Approved decks stacked for 24-hour moisture stabilization period, resting before final test.
Flex testing machine bending deck under controlled pressure. Wood resilience measurement. Final approval test.
Thousands of finished decks ready for shipping to distributors and skate shops worldwide. Warehouse scale. Digital design to physical cutting to testing sequence. Precision manufacturing theme across all products. Factory tools, heat, and measurements creating familiar everyday objects. Manufacturing magic revealed.
What product should we explore next?